Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today we will continue habit number 7, sharpen the saw. So it's the picture about the habit number 7. You can look at this picture. You will understand about the meaning of the habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Please let's go through together. Sharpen the saw means preserving and enhancing the greatest asset you have you. Stephen Covey. So it's the quote of Stephen Covey said. Habit number 7, sharpen the saw. I take care of my body by eating right, exercising, and getting enough sleep. I balance my time between school, extracurricular activities, family, and friends. I am always learning how to become a better person. So it is the shepherd soul. I spend time with family and friends. I learn in lots of ways and lots of places, not just at school. I take time to find meaningful ways to help others. Sharpen soul means keep renewing and strengthening the four key dimensions of your life. The first one, you will learn about body, brain, heart, and soul. So these are elements of sharpen soul. Two for body. Okay. So here, please look at the picture. Brain, heart, body, and spirit for our human body. Okay. Next, caring for your body. The physical dimension: exercise, eat healthy food, sleep well, and physical relaxation. So here is the look picture here. Okay. Next, caring for your brain. The mental dimension: learning, reading, analyzing, imagining, and thinking. We have to use our brain to think, to read, to learn new things in order to get new information from your brain. Okay. Next, caring for your heart. Heart, the emotional dimension: build relationships, keep promise to yourself, laugh, do good things. So it's our heart. Next, caring for your soul. Soul, the spiritual dimension: spending time in nature, meditation, art, praying, or serving others. So it's our soul. Please look at the picture here. Habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Body means physical dimension: exercise, eat healthy, sleep, rest, relaxation, and mind. Mental dimension: read, educate, write, learn new skills or new things. Heart, emotional dimension: build relationships, give service, laugh, and love. The last, soul, spiritual dimension: meditate or meditation, keep a journal, pray, take in quality media. Okay, you have to follow these steps. Conclusion: sharpen the saw was the habit that increase our capacity of life. As you renew and strengthen yourself in your four areas, you create growth and better your life. You can look here, habit number 7, in the middle, and then beside, habit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's all for my video. Thank you together.